Okay, so quick disclaimer, I am exchanging my Il Makiage. The great thing is that they said that I do not have to return the trial product and I could keep the free gift. That's pretty cool. But obviously, I don't know. I guess the models that they had to choose from, I totally was wishing I was maybe one of them. I don't know. I picked the wrong color. I really like to try product on when I'm at the store. I've never ordered anything online without actually trying it in the store. So this is a new one, okay? 60-year-olds, gone, wow. Okay, here it is. So, I just got my Il Makiage kit in the mail. I am opening it. Okay, so I got the no filter smoothing primer base. Can't wait to try this. And this is black card. Oh, this is a free gift, waterproof liquid eyeliner. And I'm Flawless under eye concealer. And the actual makeup. I woke up like this. So, I didn't get a brush, but that's okay. So, I am gonna open this up. I tested everything. I filled out everything online. The color that they gave me is 155. 155. So here we go. So, let's see. Okay, the primer. So I want to try this primer because everybody's like, oh my God, look at my lines, they go away. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see, let's see. Okay, there it is. I don't know. Now this makeup, it actually looks a little light. It looks light, too light. I can make it work though. I can make it work. Let's see. Trying to find some kind of, okay, I'll use this. I will use this to put my makeup on, okay? Let's see here. Ooh, this look light. Look at that. That look light. And this brush is coming apart. Let's see. Yeah, that's light. This, this makeup is too light. Listen. Ooh, This is too light. I'm gonna try it. What? No, this makeup is way too light. Yeah, 155. That's wrong. Look at that. Okay, bye. I'm not even gonna try well, maybe I should try the concealer. Let me see. Okay, let me try the concealer. Why the heck not? Might as well. Look at that. What is that? My lines are still just as good as day. Listen. Okay, let's try this this concealer. Let's try this concealer. I'm so sad. And it did come pretty quick though. Oh no, this is the eyeliner. I don't know about that. Okay, I'll leave the eyeliner alone. Let's try this concealer. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a no. That's not even. Whose color? Did I do that? Did I do that? Look at that. I look dead. Okay. Let me put this back in. Okay. Yeah, I need to wipe this off. This color. This was not my color. Nope. And what do I think about the consistency? I don't think it was doing nothing. I don't think it did nothing. Oh. Okay. Anyway, bye.